In November 1872, Captain Benjamin Briggs set sail from New York for Italy with his wife, daughter, and 7 hand-picked crew members. The cargo was 1,701 barrels of industrial alcohol. For weeks, they battled the Atlantic, but the final log entry on boarding, they found a chilling scene of life interrupted. The table was laid for dinner, a sewing machine sat with an unfinished garment, and the sailors' pipes and tobacco were left behind. There were no signs of a struggle, no blood, and the ship was perfectly seaworthy. It was as if every person on board had been plucked into the sky in a single moment.
The only clues were what was missing, the single lifeboat and a frayed rope trailing in the water. Investigators believe the volatile alcohol cargo may have leaked, creating a fear of an imminent explosion. In a moment of panic, Captain Briggs likely ordered everyone into the small lifeboat, tethering it to the ship to wait for the fumes to clear. However, a sudden gust of wind or a snapped rope could have sent the Mary Celeste surging ahead, leaving 10 terrified people stranded in the middle of the vast, unforgiving ocean. No bodies or wreckage from the lifeboat were ever recovered. The sea swallowed the survivors whole. Though the Mary Celeste was later recovered, she was branded a hoodoo ship, a cursed vessel that brought misfortune to every subsequent owner until she finally ran aground in Haiti. To this day, this story remains the ultimate maritime mystery, a reminder that the ocean still holds secrets that logic cannot explain.